Assalamu alaikum students. Here we are going to discuss the anomalous behavior or the peculiar behavior of carbon. As you know, carbon is the first member of group 4A. So due to the same reasons, it will also show some properties which will be different from the rest of the elements. And carbon is also so important that in second year course we have a whole 60 to 70% part of organic chemistry which is totally based on the anomalous behavior of carbon, due to which these are the reasons due to which carbon has the ability to form such a large number of organic compounds, to discuss which there is a separate branch of chemistry which is called organic chemistry. So let's discuss why carbon show anomalous behavior. So same reasons that carbon is the first member, so definitely it has small size in its respective group, and in its group it will have definitely high ionization energy, high electronegativity, and absence of d suborbit. So these are the actual reasons due to which carbon will show some different properties. Carbon has another important and amazing property which is the stable multiple bond formation. Carbon forms stable double bond with itself, with other carbon, triple bond with other carbon, carbon triple bond nitrogen, carbon double bond with oxygen, and due to these we have alkene, alkynes, nitriles, we have aldehyde, ketone, and carboxylic acids, which are actually different classes of organic compounds, and all these are possible, students, due to one reason, which is stable multiple bond formation. अगर कार्बन स्टेबल डबल या ट्रिपल बॉन्ड नहीं बना सकता, then these compounds were not be possible. तो फिर ये compound नहीं होते. Alkene, alkynes, जैसा कि million of organic compounds है. These are the actual reasons. The other reason, which is the catenation, one is isomerism, that why carbon forms such a huge number of compounds. So one of those reasons is isomerism, and inshallah in detail we will discuss in organic chemistry. As you know, those compounds which have same molecular formula but different structures are called isomers. Catenation, carbon has the ability to form carbon-carbon bond and form a long chain of organic compounds which may be natural, which may be synthetic, जैसे polymers, जैसे कि proteins, carbohydrates, lipids वगैरह में होते हैं. So all this is possible due to the property of what? Catenation, multiple bond formation, and isomerism. So all these due to stable multiple bond formation, isomerism, catenation, carbon form huge number of organic compounds. Carbon can also form different types of oxides, in which the most stable oxides of carbon is carbon dioxide. But if carbon is burned in the limited supply of oxygen, so it can also form carbon monoxide. कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड. अक्सर स्टूडेंट पूछते हैं कि सर हाउ कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड स्टेबलाइज इटसेल्फ. सो स्टूडेंट्स, as there are 4 valence electron in carbon and 6 electron in oxygen, so obviously यहाँ पर तो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन की शेयरिंग से एक स्टेबल डबल बॉन्ड बन जाता है. लेकिन स्टिल अगर ये हम काउंट कर ले 2 4 6, तो कार्बन का तो ऑक्टेट जो है वो कंप्लीट नहीं है. सो there is the possibility that this bond pair is donated in the form of coordinate covalent bond towards this carbon to complete the octet of what carbon in the carbon monoxide. So actually in carbon monoxide there are how much covalent bonds? अक्सर स्टूडेंट 2 लिख लेते हैं, ये एक्चुअली क्या है? 3 कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड. स्टूडेंट कहते हैं कि सर ये एक तो कोऑर्डिनेट है. तो स्टूडेंट्स, व्हेन अ कोऑर्डिनेट कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड इज फॉर्म, it just adopt the characters of what? Of a covalent bond. And in these 3 covalent bond, one is sigma and 2 are actually what? Pi bonds. And the stable oxide of carbon, obviously you know, is carbon dioxide, in which there are 2 double bond on both sides, so which have resulted zero dipole moment because the individual bond moment cancel out each other. And there is another oxide. स्टूडेंट ने कल एक क्वेश्चन भेजा था कि सर इसका स्ट्रक्चर क्या होगा, इसमें कार्बन की ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट क्या होगी. सो इट इज कॉल्ड एक्चुअली कार्बन सब ऑक्साइड. वो ऑक्साइड जिसमें इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव एलिमेंट की मिकदार ज़्यादा हो जाती है नॉर्मल से, तो वो क्या होगा? वो सब ऑक्साइड होगा. सो एक्चुअली स्टूडेंट, it has alene like structure. These are the 3 carbons which are attached in this way. When 2 double adjacent bonds are present, such alkene is also called allenes. तो ये तो एक्चुअल एलिन नहीं, यहाँ पर तो एक ऑक्सीजन यहाँ पर है, एक ऑक्सीजन यहाँ पर है. So it is the actual structure of what? Carbon suboxide. So obviously we know carbon has -2 charge. So the adjacent carbon, oxygen have -2. The adjacent carbon will have +2. Here this carbon is attached on both sides to itself. So obviously it will have zero oxidation state. So there are 3 carbon. The oxidation state of this central carbon is 0, and the carbon which is attached to this electronegative oxygen have +2 oxidation state. So these are the oxides of carbon: carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and carbon suboxide. Thank you.